This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It is August 13th, 2018. This one here, we're gonna go do an oil burner service for a guy that's selling a house. Gonna make sure that it's, up to par and running okay and all that stuff. So I'm on my way there now. We'll give it the once over for the guy, and so here he can sell his house. Alright, he's got oil here, so that's fine. Hey, chicky. Look at that. Yeehaw. That's a homeowner special right there. But anyway, I'm here to check this burner and clean this burner. Guy's selling the house, so it's a cold start, looks like. So I'm going to take it apart and see what it looks like. It looks clean in there. Nice and clean in there. Look at that. I mean, that's running clean. Nothing wrong there. Nice and clean. That's fine. What we'll do is we'll change this filter in this nozzle and get it up and running and check the combustion. That's fine. It's an outside tank, so we'll shut this off here and we'll check this filter. Seeing he's selling the house, we'll change it. I guess the people buying the house want to have it cleaned. Got the wrong filter in there. That's the wrong one. That's not the right one. That's a general. That's the wrong filter. The wrong filter in there. There's supposed to be a spring on here too. I don't know where it is, but that's what this is. I thought I seen that on top of the boiler. I didn't know what it was for. That's what it's for, to hold the filter in, to hold the filter in the center. See? That's what that spring's for. He had taken it out because this is a general. See, this is a different filter. Typical. We'll check the oil flow. If we're not getting a good oil flow, the pump filter might be dirty. We should check that too. Check the pump filter too. See, he had the wrong filter in there. We'll check this pump filter. See, he had the wrong filter in there. I mean, it's not too smart. So that happens, People do stuff and they shouldn't be doing it. They're not trained properly. Now, if we had the right filter in there, I probably wouldn't be doing this. Looks like it's been replaced. It's always good to check. It's always good to check. What we'll do is we'll get this thing up and running. We'll get a good oil flow going. Change the nozzle first, then we'll get a good oil flow. Bleed the air out. And, probably put my combustion analysis on the way out, you know, type of thing. See how it's running. Get the nozzle, change the nozzle out, see what's going on with that. Oh, 3-section oil. CAD cell looks clean inside there. AFG. Yeah, nozzle needs to be changed. Clean the head off. Any carbon in there will fall off. That's an older nozzle looks like, so I'll change it. Definitely an older nozzle. I'll wait till I'm a 70 in here. 75, 70 is good nozzle for this. That's about what you want right there. Now the carburetor spray cleans up that plate and it helps reflect the light and help the ohms keep the CAD cell working. So it's good to clean that plate, that reflector plate.
You had the wrong filter in there.
Really?
Yeah. Did you do that?
No, my buddy did.
Yeah, see? And he actually took the spring out of there. And
this is one right here.
no, well, I already put one in from the truck, so.
You can take it if you want.
And I checked the pump filter. The pump filter was clean. That looks like that's been changed. So your buddy's an oil burner, man?
He kind of does a little bit of everything. He's one of those guys.
He's a handyman?
Yeah, and he did his own. I didn't need anybody, crazy, so he gave me a hand and went right through like it was nothing. I'm like, you did this before? He goes, yeah, I got the brushes online. I did this, I did that. I'm like,
yeah, we had the wrong filter in there.
Yeah, apparently had. I vaguely remember him saying he bought the 3 or 4 different ones that he thought it was, and it happened, and none of them were the right one.
Well, this is a very common one. This is
apparently.
This is a very common one. The other one he put in there is very common. Them are the most two common, but he had the wrong one in there.
Yeah, with no spring, you said?
Well, he took the spring out. The spring holds this filter in the center.
Oh, I see.
It's got a bigger hole. So he took the spring out because this one here has got a smaller hole.
Oh.
But anyway.
Finally a nice weather today.
Now, what do you got it off inside? The power? Oh, okay, just a delay.
Your daughter's, Daisy?
Yeah, that's my kid, yeah.
I worked with her at Lowe's for many years. She's the one that recommended you.
Yeah, that's my kid. I mean, she's a good kid.
Yeah.
She's not a punk.
No.
I could have did worse than her. Or kid.
Worked out for it.
You only got one chicken back there, or how many you got? Okay, because I seen one outside there. I wanted to go check the oil.
I should have looked the other ones out, actually. I got 4 tonight. Don't go in.
Wow. Oh, they won't go in at night?
4 of them don't. The rest of them do.
Wow.
You want a hammer?
I just don't want to break it. I got a hammer. Holy shit, man. Should have good draft there. It's nice and clean. Yeah, we got draft. I mean, it's gonna take a little while to put some heat in the chimney, but yeah, we got draft. Oil is clean. New pump filter. New filter. Pump filter's clean. New nozzle. Good draft. Good oil flow.